It's recording? Okay. Alright, as you can see, my laptop screen has been heavily damaged by a sudden impact. Obviously that's a point of impact, and even though it created a nice beautiful butterfly, I can't really read my pharmacy school slides through this, can I? The renin, hypertension, something like that. Alright, so this obviously has to be fixed. So let me turn it off first. If I can find the icon to turn it off. Taking a long time. Okay. Computer's off. Let me get rid of the Wi-Fi antenna. I'll take out the battery, which is always a good precaution. Now when you order screens, I found this the hard way. This is a Lenovo Thinkpad T430. And you need, when you're looking for parts, you need to look at the number right here. This is my serial number. The number here will be known as the item number, the make number, the model number. Depends on what catalog or website you're looking at. But that's how I ordered this. The T430 blah 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 blah. That's how I ordered the screen. Oh, and the plug is I ordered from laptopscreen.com from Seattle, Washington. Okay. Now, where do I start? Oh. Now this is just to show you an amateur can do this. I have no computer experience at all, especially technical. Now this siding supposedly pops right off. And I've heard the easier way to do it is to get it from the bottom first, because if you start at the top, then this can get wedged in and it can be hard to pull it off. So you stick your fingers in here. You don't have to worry about damaging the screen. That's already a done deal. And it pops right off. A whole bunch of snaps, like so. See? Only number of snaps along the side, top and bottom. And there's the screen. It should have 4 screws in each corner. And it looks like there are 4 little plastic studs that hold these in place. Alright. Now I was told the only tool I need is a Phillips head screwdriver, which I have, excuse me. There. I got 2. I got a mini one and a full size one, or a medium one. So I'll try the mini one. Alright. Take the screws off. And I should probably put them in something, because they're really tiny. What should I put them in? Put them in a little dish. How's that? You know, every time I put screws in a little dish like that, or bolts, nuts and bolts. I remember this scene from Christmas Story. Remember that? When he knocks the hubcap over and he curses in front of his father for the first time. That one looks a little stiff. Alright, yeah, that one's coming out. These are really small screws. But you would expect to see that in the computer, I guess, right? Unfortunately, there are only 4 of them. It's not like doing work on an old Office PC with about 5,000 screws when you're trying to do some repair work on them. This one's really stuck. Okay, that one won't come out at all. Okay. 4 screws. It looks like it should pop right out. There we go. And just put it down like that. Now let me pull out the new one, which I probably should have done before I started this film. Okay, it's got the same 4 double holes there. The same metal attachment there. And it looks like, I'm not going to look at all these numbers, but it looks like it's very similar numbers here. Okay. Okay, and this, I hear, is the tricky part. Believe it or not, fancy 21st century computer is held together with a piece of Scotch tape. So, yeah, peel back the Scotch tape. Like so. And that just sort of pops right off. It's like it's been sitting on top. Like that. Alright. So that's garbage. That's somebody's phone. Now getting this back into place looks like it's going to be the hardest part of this job. What's the matter, buddy? Help? Okay, I'm going to assume that is good. Okay, that's not attached at all.
Okay.
Oh, I see how it's supposed to go in. This tape just gets in the way here. Ah, it goes under. I see. The teeth go under that little piece there. And the tape holds it in place. There. Well, there's one way to see if it's connected.
In a bird sunny day, an amazing day.
Should I take this off now?
Let off. Let off.
No, don't take those off, sweetie.
Take let off.
No, don't take that off either.
double check that this is in all the way and the tape is firmly. I almost want to find a new piece of tape, but I don't know if that would be necessary. Tell you what, let me put in 2 screws first, and I will turn it on and see if it is kosher. All right. And a 4-year-old tries to steal the screwdriver.
No, sweetie, put that down.
Yes, it's a
Yes. Yes, that's the screwdriver.
Mine.
So you see, folks, this is live on tape. This is not a rehearsed studio.
Mine.
What's he doing that for? Remember that scene in the... What? I can't get that in. That scene from The Honeymooners. Remember that? This is coming to you live. Ah, there we go.
Not big toy.
What'd you say, buddy?
Open in a bowl. Not stick no fingers and no bubble.
Well, let's turn it on just to see if everything's okay. Get the battery back in. See what happens. Looks like it's working. That look like it's working? Is it working?
Yes.
Yes. I should probably turn it off again before we put the rest of the screws on. I know. Yep. And of course the plastic has to come off, but let me put the other screws on first. Yay!
Si kumain ta ini kamputu.
See Grandma Linda on the computer?
Yes.
Oh, not right now, sweetie.
Whoop.
Yes, look.
Is that you?
Yes.
Alright, turning it off again.
Turning it off again.
Sure takes its sweet time going off, doesn't it? Okay. Okay. The fourth one over here. Oh, you can take this plastic off now, right?
Look, it's writing on a bicycle. Look, it's writing in a bicycle. Look, it's writing in a bicycle.
You're riding the tricycle?
Yes.
Okay, just tighten the screws.
No. So I'm so
still pretty loose.
It's one more. It's
pretty
one
loose.
more. It's one more. But we go just good.
I wonder if
It's
bigger
one
one.
more. It's one more. It's one more. Help us! Help! Help us! Help!
Yeah, actually, a bigger one helps tightening it. Okay. Doesn't feel loose at all. It's in there nice and tight. Oh, now it's just a matter of snapping this back. Man, this is filthy. I haven't cleaned my computer since I got it. You just snap it.
On the table.
Oh boy.
No glitter on the table.
It's a lot of glitter on the table.
Yes, now there's a lot of glitter on the table.
And then you just snap it in wherever it can snap. I don't know why it's not.
No, my guys.
Sounds kind of like bubble wrap. There are lots of them. Ones that sneak up on you here. Yeah. I believe that's all of them. Let's see if we can get it.
Here into a mountain. Climb in the mountain. You is a mountain right here. You is a mountain right here.
Looks like it worked, huh? How about that? And me with just a biology degree, huh?
You want Daddy to help you climb a mountain?
Want to climb a mountain?
Yes, Daddy help you to climb a mountain. Daddy help
No,
you
not yet, not
to
yet.
climb a mountain.
There we go.
Daddy help you to climb a mountain. Daddy help you to climb a mountain.
Now, where was I?
Daddy help you to climb a mountain.
You want to climb a mountain now?
Yes,
You sure?
yes.
Alright, looks like it's working. Alright, that's where I was before.
Oh, I know in screwdriver.
Hasten, here.
Mine.
Okay,
Mine.
that's